Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to update payment info in Netflix and how to change your billing details. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open the Netflix app. After that, choose your profile. Click on My Netflix on the bottom right of the screen, and after that click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on Account, and after that go and click on the link netflix.com/more. Click Continue. Here you have to click Manage Account. Wait for few seconds. Let's refresh it. Let's sign in and click Manage Account again. And here as you can see, there is Manage Payment Method. Click on it and you will find here your payment method. You can change your payment method or you can update your actual payment method on your account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next